Hi, I'm Subramani here, calling from Citadel Interior Designs. Our branch, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, all our main cities we have. Thing is, last video which I put, we got very good response on that and good comments on the whose individual people who's logging in. They need a lot many details about who's are freshers. They doesn't know how much need to spend the money on this for the 2 BHK or 3 BHK, 1 BHK, lot many things, and we worked on this matters, and we come to know
Morning 6 o'clock.
house can be decorated in completely decorate, not only the woodwork. And when come across to my companies, we do little extraordinary since we have a little under one roof of the architect designing programs and walkthrough. Uh, we give extraordinaries. We don't charge for all that. We don't charge, and we'll guide them. If they want to go their own anyway, we don't mind, but we'll guide them when while we doing some work, and we'll tell that okay, this is the wall you can make accommodate whatever the colors or appear or wooden floorings. So all that we guiding to the client, whatever we know, whatever we have in mind, our dream. So we want to like to put them into the things. That is the main reason we giving lot many free consultancies to the client directly. So they'll very free to talking to us for the packages, like we have only 3 lakh rupee. Under that 3 lakh rupee, Mr. Subramani, all this need to be covered. It's possible or not. Rooftop, I mean, sorry, false ceilings will come or not. Flooring will come or not. I mean, wooden floorings will come or not. All that things, I'll tell you the only one thing is always what we need to happen. What where you can go to the any XYZ persons. You are not supposed to be compromise on your quality and the prices. If the person, if you have 4 people, you can take it to the 4 quotations, minimum 3 to 4 quotations, and you can have a look into that whether all 3 peoples are given same pricing or minimum of 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 25 rupees, 75 rupees here and there. That's fine. That's fine. But when it comes to the more lesser than that price, if anybody is coming, you are not supposed to believe them. It is not possible. Company branding, it cannot give you any single moment. Everyone's there is a competitive pricings are going on. Nobody is ready to leave you people. Nobody is ready to lose the business, because since they are originally they want to work with you people, because tomorrow if any problem comes, the client will, there's a lot of problems in the powder hood will get it, then powder will come within a 6 months in the kitchen areas and all, and the baskets are not in a proper original baskets. Restrictions will come in that. So all that matters. Say properly Fevicols will not be fixed. Only bad hoods they put on the top colors and all, you will not come to know. So this is all the matters when it comes to the woodwork. You need to be very careful on the while booking. Seeing only 25, 30,000, 50,000, all that, no. You have to ready to lose, because you have to sit across in a long year. If somebody coming and putting you very small money and saying that I'll do it, he will do the colorful and he'll go off, because he doesn't have a office or anything. He don't have address. He's nothing. He will tell, madam, that's all over. Otherwise, what will happen? He will agree, and 80% of the completion he will run away. Then what you are going to do? How are you going to catch hold them? What you know? Only the phone numbers will be having it. There is no proper communication there. So keeping all in that, give it to one reputed person, so who can really bring your dream. Because so many lakhs you're given for buying one property, for the same time, for this also needed. Example, somebody is buying a car, definitely they need to put some accessories on the car. In the same way, when buying a house for the dream house, you may having a lot of dreams. So we have to understand the dreams and we have to deliver for you. That is the only reason which my speech always into this manner. It's not that you can give it to me 100%. That's the reason I'm talking. No, you can go for any exercise persons, whoever you liked it, whoever ready to honor you, to understand your dreams, and this is the way you have to calculate the price. So all different prices, not for pricing for all same. Some people will charge you all are same price. If you are making a less than, he will charge you in the kitchen. In the kitchen you low cost if you do, he will charge you in the wardrobe or not. So there is a pricing for all things. There are different pricing. Why? Because there is a originally involved, there is a material they are putting, working, all that is involved. So keeping in that as mind and just quoting a price, if we one person, whoever anybody service provided when that comes to your place, if they say, madam, I'm sorry, sir, I can do it in this, madam and sir, I can do it in this, you don't worry, you give me only 900 rupees per square feet, 850 per square feet. If you are believe in given, that's what you think that maybe 50,000 matter, you will be losing for another 3 lakh rupee within a 6 months. It is guarantee, you can write and keep it. Okay, please call us in the below numbers for the, feel free to call us for more details regarding the completely your interiors work. Thank you.